About the footers. We're going to talk about the footers. This is all the footers. So as you can see, it says the first thing it says is all the footers, the default color is black and white. So the default color for the footers right here. So these are the footers at the bottom. As you can see, search here. These are the footers that we're speaking of. Here's the footers. Search, timeline, phase, notifications, profile. Now these should all be black and white. What I meaning these should be the default color should be black and white. Even though if this is white right here, so when I click search, this should be black and white. So this should be black and white. So let me show you here. So it should be this color. Let me go to a user. This user, see all users. I believe it's this user here. See, as you can see, the search page, even though the search should be black and white. You see, as you can see, that's how it should look. That's the default color. That's what this is saying right here. The default color should be black and white. Okay. Now next, let's go to the search. It's just telling you again, the default color for the header should be black and white. Okay. Now also it's saying the search button. The search button right here, header should also be black and white. But now when you customize it, it should be, when you customize and change the banner, the customized button should be the same color controlled by the button text. Okay, that's what this is saying. Okay, and then what this is also saying is when you switch the search for button colors, switch colors. When I initially go to the select page, you see it goes from black and white, then it goes to that particular color. So right here, I'm going to change the user so you can see what I'm speaking of. Go to all users. I'm going to go to this user right here.
There was nothing you could do.
Search. You see how it goes black and white first? You see how the search button goes black and white? That's what this says. The search button switches colors. It goes from black and white then to the custom design color. Okay, now the next thing it talks about is the drop down. The drop down should say athlete parent. Here's the here right here, as you see. Parent guardian, it just says parent guardian. It should say athlete, parentheses, parent guardian. Okay, that's what that is. Alright, then the next is the filters don't work. They don't work. So watch when I here, as you see it's parent guardian, I'll press search. So as you can see, the first time I see all the parent guardians. Some of them have names, some of them don't. So we have to fix the parent guardian names. Okay, now if I go here, if I go to team, I should just see all the teams. I still see parent and guardian. So now let me go switch. I'm going to go to athlete. I still see parent and guardian. It's the same thing. The filters don't work, and it even works for the event the same way. So if I go to event, I can put all here. Then watch, I'm going to change it from all to just clinics. It's the same events. You see? It's the same. Now if I go back to all, search, it's the same. The filters do not work. So these filters do not work when I press the search button. Okay? Now the next one is timeline. As you can see, I go to the timeline. This is good. The only thing is, remember the default filter? It's a black with white text. That's the default, but when you change the custom, it changes with it. Now in timeline, the only thing here is the date. The date of the posted should be on the same line as the user to the right. You see? It should be on the same line. It's here, it's up here. It should be a little bit lower on the same line as this team.
There was nothing you could do. They were scared of my feet. There was nothing you could do.
It's on the same line as team.
There was nothing you could.
Then it won't.
They were scared of my feet. There was nothing you could do.
The name, because the name could be longer. So the date here, and then do the same thing for phase. The same thing. If you can see, you see how it overlaps. So if you put it down on the same line as team instead of on the name, it won't overlap. Okay, because we could control the size of this. And then it's the header. Then the next is notifications. The notifications, for some reason, it's timing out. When I say that, when I click notifications, for some reason, most of the time, it just times out. So I couldn't really check it all. So as you can see, it's working now. But sometimes it times out, and I can't check it. So we haven't checked that page yet. But we can talk about the header. Remember, it's black, the default. Then the next one is message. As you can see, there's no message at the bottom. So where we can put the message icon, it showed you right here on the top right corner. And for all of the footer pages. So if I put search, it'll be in the top right corner. If I put timeline, it'll be in the top right corner. Faves, it'll be in the top right corner. Notifications, it'll be in the top right corner. That's the only place the message would be. Icon. So you have to go back to those pages to find a message icon. And the default color will be black and white with white text. Unless the user changes it, then everything changes. Okay, as you can see, we haven't touched the notification. So this is section 3. This is the footers.